All right, guys, I did something a little taboo. I bought a bike with high miles. And a lot of motorcyclists don't believe that motorcycles can run and operate above a certain mileage. It's like once they hit 30, 40, 50, 60, it's just this, like I don't want that. But personally, I do not care. I think the more a motorcycle is ridden, it will be in better shape. And especially if they give you a binder such as this, that lists everything, ready for this? Everything that they've done for the whole ownership of the bike. If you can find one that's got one of these fancy binders and has one of these printed out manuals that the owner had been using to keep this bike going and alive, you're probably in good shape. So here's the bike, and let me just show you real fast. This puppy's got 70,147 miles right there. So when I picked it up, it had really old tires. So I put on these beautiful Shinko. And as you can see, overall, it's a pretty clean bike. There's one ding right there. My windshield goes up, that's all the way up. It lays down. It has heated grips. It has storage here. It has locking storage here. Very simple layout. I can put my phone on there. It's this big old V4, so it makes a ton of torque. Shaft drive, saddlebags included. New rear tires while I went with the Shinko set that fit the bike. And I've had to do zero maintenance. Not a single bit of maintenance to this bike. I've owned it for a little under 5,000 miles. I took this bike right here from Idaho to Sturgis and back, and I've toured around Idaho with it. I paid $2,300 for it. The tires were about $300 installed. So this bike right here, I'm in it 2,600, and let's go ahead and show you the oil level of this bike. So we got a little sight right here, and look at that, 5,000 miles, and I just rode the bike here, and it's not low. 5,000 miles in between oil changes at 70,000 miles on this Honda, and it's still good to go. Next time you see a bike with high miles and a guy that has white hair that's selling it, think twice. Go ahead, go check it out. As long as it's a good bike, it's gonna feel right. It's gonna ride perfectly. Pick it up, enjoy it. I keep trying to find a BMW with 100,000 miles on it, or a Goldwing with 100,000, but most of those guys also ask a lot of money. So you get what you pay for. I'm down to pay for higher miles over like a low mile salvage title motorcycle, personally, because I know that somebody loved it. All right, let's listen to it idle. It's never failed to start, people. It has never failed to start once. It has the biggest gas tank of 6.7 gallons, I believe. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps you out. Hope this gets you out on the road.